Hello children, I'm back with your EVS class. Okay children, and today in the EVS class we're going to do chapter number 13, Weather and Seasons. Alright, now children, these two terms, weather and season, these are very confusing terms for children. That is what I believe, and many elders also do not exactly know the difference between them, right? So what is the difference between weather when I say that the weather is so good today? Yes, what do I mean by that? And when I say I like the winter season, what do I mean by that, So I'm going to differentiate, tell you the difference between these two terms and explain the various seasons which are there, okay? Alright, now first, before I start on, I want you all to see on page number 87, there's this picture given, children. There's this girl who's standing in the balcony, right? She's standing in the balcony and she's enjoying the weather, okay? And let's see what all she's saying. She says over here, oh, I love the weather. It is cloudy and cool. So I love the weather. It's cloudy and cool. That means she's talking about today, okay? The weather today is cloudy and cool. It was so hot and sunny yesterday. Yesterday means समय जो चला गया, yesterday, कल. It was so hot and sunny. Hey, it started raining. It's quite windy now. So today's weather is that she finds it cloudy and cool. It has started raining and it is quite windy now. This is what this girl says. Now let's see. Sheetal was standing in her balcony. So that girl who was standing in the balcony was Sheetal. She remembered that yesterday was dash and dash. Now she remembered that yesterday, what was the weather like yesterday? It was hot and sunny. So you got to write hot here and sunny here. But today it is dash and dash. But what kind of weather is today? So it is cloudy and cool. There was no wind an hour ago, but now it is windy. Now it is windy and suddenly it started raining. So just do this exercise, children. It is on page number 87. Okay. Now let's start on with the chapter. Now when she says weather, when she talks about weather, she means, whenever we're talking about weather, it means the weather of that particular time or that particular day. Okay. We are not of many days together. Okay, we're talking about the weather, the kind of temperature there is on that particular day. Okay, so have you ever seen such a changes in a day? We talked about that girl Sheetal, and she said, oh, it is cool and cloudy. Then she said it's raining, and then she said it's windy. So in one day, this change in the climate, right? So the condition of heat, wind, cloudiness, etc. of a place on a particular day. Whenever we talk about the climate, the cloudiness, the heat, the wind of a particular place on a particular day, remember that, children, on a particular day, are together called weather. Okay? They're together known as weather. So weather changes every day. So every day, today if the weather is hot and humid, tomorrow it might be cool and cloudy, yes, and then it might be rainy. Okay, so it changes every single day. But what if weather conditions remain same for many days? But what would happen if the weather condition remains the same for many days? If I say that in Jodhpur, it is very hot these days. Yes. So these days, that means many days together, the temperature in Jodhpur was hot. Yes. Above 40 degrees. When weather remains similar or the same kind for many days, it is called season. Now, children, that is the difference between weather and season. Whenever we're talking about weather, we're talking about the climate of a particular place on a particular day. But whenever we talk about seasons, many days together, when the weather remains almost the same for many days together, becomes a season. Yes? So, for many days it is called season. Do you know how many seasons are there in a year? Now I'm going to tell you about, we are going to talk about the seasons, right? Now, our environment, we divide it into seasons, okay? Depending on the kind of weather for many days, we divide it into seasons. Now let's see how many seasons there are. Basically, there are 5 seasons, okay? And which are these seasons, children? There's spring, summer, rainy, winter, and autumn, okay? Now in detail, I will be explaining about, talking about these seasons, children, okay? So you can see this picture over there: summer, rainy, autumn, winter, and after winter, spring. This is normally the cycle which is followed in the season, okay? First or second, whatever. First, if we talk about summer, summer is followed by the rainy season. Rainy season is followed by the autumn season, and then the winter, and then the spring. Now, in detail, I'm going to tell you what these seasons are, okay? First, we're going to start on with the spring season, children. Now, spring season is the most beautiful season actually, when the flowers bloom and the earth looks beautiful, children, right? And, brings new life to the surroundings after the cold winter. It comes after the cold winter, yes? So it's beautiful actually. We can see new leaves on trees, green grass and flowers everywhere, yes? Flowers bloom and there's green grass and there are no new leaves on the trees and they all look beautiful. That's the most beautiful season actually, yes? The weather during spring season is very pleasant. It is very pleasant. Neither it is very cold, neither it is very hot. It is very pleasant, okay? Okay, now let's see which season comes after spring. Spring is followed by the summer season. Yes, I just do not like the summer season, children. Many of you also will not like the summer season. Now, summer season, it is very hot and you need to drink cold things, cool drinks you need to have, and you need to sit in the AC or the cooler. You need to keep the temperature down in your house, right? And the kind of clothes which we wear in summer season is the cotton clothes, yes? When I was doing the clothes chapter, children, I had said that the clothes also depend on the seasons, isn't it? So in the summer season, the kind of clothes we wear is the cotton clothes, okay? And you got to put on the fan and it's like, so summer season comes after the spring season. The days are bright, it's very sunny, so the days are bright. The sun is harsh and warm, okay? And hot. The days are longer and the nights are shorter. Yes, that's one of the major points, children. During the summer season, the days are longer and the nights are shorter. We sweat a lot. Yes, you do sweat a lot. And like to wear light colored cotton clothes. We drink lots of water and eat or drink cold things. Yes, children? So that was summer season. Now let's move on to the rainy season. After the hot summer, rainy season comes up, okay? After the hot summers comes the rainy season. It is also called the monsoon. Yes? It is also another name for rainy season is monsoon, okay? It brings cool winds and heavy showers of rain. Heavily it rains or, cool winds are there. We need umbrellas and raincoats to keep dry. Yes, if you're going out, you will need to take your umbrella with you or wear your raincoat and go out, step out, right? The rain washes the dust away. Yes? Sometimes we may see a rainbow in the sky, which is very beautiful to look at. Yes. And, your parents must be showing you the rainbow in the sky after the rains. Yes, it looks very pretty, isn't it? Now, what is a rainbow, children? Rainbow is a curved arc of light of 7 colors across the sky. Yes. So what is a rainbow? It's a curved arc. This is an arc, children, the shape. It's shaped like an arc, okay? And there are 7 colors across the sky. Rainbow is caused by the sun's rays shining through drops of water during or after the rain. And this rainbow is caused by the shine of the sun rays, on the droplets of the rain, okay? All right. Now I hope you know what is a rainbow. And how many colors are there in a rainbow? Yes? Alright. Now, let's move on to the autumn season, children. Now, I talked about the spring season. Then I talked about the summer season. And the summer season is followed by then the rainy season. And then comes the autumn season. Now, what is autumn, children? When, between the summer and the winter, this season falls, before the harsh winters start, before that autumn comes in, when the trees, they shed their leaves. Yes, during the spring season, new leaves come up on the trees, right? But during the autumn season, all the leaves, they fall off, children, okay, from the trees, okay? They shed their leaves, okay? So between summer and winter season comes the autumn season. Some trees shed their leaves during the autumn season. So you can see normally the peepal tree or the neem tree, normally, you'll be able to see that it, bears itself, all the leaves, they shed off, right? They need to prepare themselves for the cold winter season. The weather turns cooler in the season. So autumn season, it is nice and cool, but then the leaves from the trees fall off, right? So that is the autumn season, okay? And after this autumn season is followed by the winter season, children. Now, what is this winter season? Winter season, when the temperature falls down, right? And it is very cold. And when I was talking about the summer season, I told you all that during the summer season, the days are longer and the nights are shorter. But during the winter season, the nights are longer and the days are shorter. It's vice versa, actually, right? Right now, it's a winter season, and by 6:30, it's normally dark, isn't it? Yes? Okay. Now, in the winter season, the weather is very cold, the days are shorter, and the nights are longer. We wear warm woolen clothes. And what kind of clothes do you wear? Will you want to wear cotton clothes? No. You're going to wear warm woolen clothes to keep your body temperature warm. Yes, to keep yourself warm. In some parts of India, it snows during the winter season. That you all know, that in north, up in the hills, in the mountains, it rains during the summer season. Yes? In the winter season, right? It becomes very foggy, which makes it difficult to ride a bicycle or drive a vehicle. Yes. Now, normally, in winters, early morning or during late evenings, it becomes very foggy. And it is very difficult whenever your father also takes the vehicle out, the car out, you can see the fog on the glass, right? So it becomes very foggy in the winter season. How are you going to pronounce this word, children? It is not vehicle, it's vehicle. Earlier also I had told you all in some other video, I don't remember which video it was, but then vehicle. Do not say vehicle, it's vehicle, okay? Now, this was the winter season wherein you have to keep yourself warm, wear woolen clothes, the nights are longer, the days are shorter, right? Alright, so these, all the seasons and their weather changes are important for our crops. Yes, so different crops, the farmers, they sow different kind of crops during different seasons. Different crops come up during different seasons. Like winters, it's going to be more of like sarson and things like that. Summers, it's going to be more like bajra and things like that, So you can find out, delve more deeper into it, and go around, look for it and find out what kind of crops are grown during the winter season, okay? This black gram is also sown during the winter season, okay? Sarson is, that's what, and the vegetables during the winters are like more of carrots and spinach and all these things you can see in the market, yes? So there, and during summers, you won't be able to see carrots and all these things, okay? Alright, so that is a difference. Different season, different crops as well, okay? Alright, now I talked about, that is it in the chapter, children, I talked about various seasons. I talked about the 5 seasons. First, I talked about the spring, then summer, then rainy season. Then during the rainy season, I explained what a rainbow is, autumn, and last, the winter season. I hope you all understood this chapter, children. Now, please do the exercise which I have given to you all. Okay, the PDF, it is there in the PDF. Open the PDF. You shouldn't need any help. And before you do that, I want you all to read the chapter at least twice. Okay, I'll be waiting for the assignment. Thank you, children.